In Office, you can collaborate with others to give notes and feedback on a document by using comments. To add a comment, select what you want to comment on and choose Review, New Comment. Then type your thoughts. When you're done, click Elsewhere in the document. Choose Show Comments to show or hide the comments. Each comment shows the name of the commenter and the time the comment was made. If you want to respond to what others have written, choose a comment, then choose Reply, and type your response. This starts a conversation thread. To move to the next comment, use the Previous and Next buttons. Choose Resolve when a comment has been addressed. It will gray out the comment so others know it's been completed. You can add comments in other apps too. Comments in PowerPoint work a lot like Word. In Excel, you can add comments to individual cells. And if you're working in Office online, go to Review, New Comment, and add your thoughts wherever you need to.